The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 2: 11 Steps to Know Your Customer in Sales. Knowing your customer is crucial to the success of any sales strategy. When you understand your customer's needs, preferences, and pain points, you can tailor your approach to meet their specific requirements and increase the likelihood of closing the sale. Here are 11 steps to help you get to know your customer better. 1. Define your ideal customer. Start by identifying the type of customer you want to target. Consider factors such as demographics, industry, company size, and job title. This will help you focus your efforts on the most promising prospects. 2. Conduct market research. Gather information about your target market through online research, surveys, focus groups, and interviews. Look for trends, patterns, and insights that can help you understand their buying habits, challenges, and motivations. 3. Analyze your customer data. Use your customer relationship management (CRM) system to analyze customer data such as purchase history, preferences, and feedback. This will help you identify patterns and trends that can inform your sales strategy. 4. Create buyer personas. Develop detailed profiles of your ideal customers based on the research and data you have gathered. Include information such as their goals, challenges, pain points, and buying habits. 5. Identify their needs. Use the information you have gathered to identify your customers' needs and pain points. This will enable you to offer solutions that address their specific challenges and requirements. 6. Understand their decision-making process. Determine how your customer makes purchasing decisions. Who is involved in the decision-making process? What criteria do they use to evaluate vendors? Understanding this process will help you tailor your approach and messaging accordingly. 7. Determine their budget. Understand your customer's budget constraints and financial priorities. This will help you position your product or service in a way that aligns with their budget and priorities. 8. Identify their preferred communication channels. Determine how your customer prefers to communicate. Do they prefer phone calls, emails, or face-to-face meetings? Knowing their preferred communication channels will help you engage with them more effectively. 9. Build rapport. Establish a personal connection with your customer by building rapport. Ask questions about their business, industry, and challenges. Show genuine interest in their needs and concerns. 10. Listen actively. Listen carefully to your customer's needs and concerns. Repeat back what you have heard to ensure that you understand their requirements. This will help you build trust and credibility with your customer. 11. Provide value. Offer value to your customer by providing solutions that address their specific needs and challenges. This will demonstrate your expertise and establish you as a trusted advisor. In conclusion, getting to know your customer is essential to the success of your sales strategy. By following these 11 steps, you can gain a deeper understanding of your customer's needs, preferences, and pain points, and tailor your approach to meet their specific requirements. This will increase the likelihood of closing the sale and building long-term relationships with your customers. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 3 to 11 Steps to Build Rapport in Sales.